With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here the question says differentiate between the following: seed code and embryo. So we have to differentiate between the two. So we will write seed code on the left hand side and embryo on the right hand side. And we will draw a line in between so that it is easy to differentiate between the two, because we will be writing the differences in bullet form. So now we will write the first point of difference, that is the seed coat is actually a protective covering that covers the seed and it protects the seed as well. Whereas your embryo is the young plant that is enclosed within the seed. So we will write this is a young plant which is enclosed within the seed coat. And now this embryo will germinate when it will get favorable condition. So it is the enclosure of young plant within the seed coat which will eventually grow into a new plant. This was the first point of difference. The second point of difference is that seed coat develops from a protective layer around the ovule, whereas embryo is a result of fertilization inside the ovary. So let's write the second point of difference as well. The third point of difference is that the seed coat is the one that determines the shape of the seed. So it will be determining the shape, whereas the embryo will fill the shape that will be determined by seed coat. So it fills the shape. So this is the third difference, where the seed coat is actually determining the shape of seed, whereas that shape is filled by the embryo. Now let's proceed to the fourth point of difference, that says that water diffused through the seed coat into embryo causes swelling of seed and rupturing of seed coat while germination, whereas in embryo we will write it consists of radical, plumule and cotyledon, which give rise to root and shoot system of the plant. So here we discuss about the differences between seed coat and embryo, where the first difference was seed coat is a protective covering, whereas embryo is the young plant enclosed by seed coat. The second difference we mentioned that it in the terms of development, that seed coat develops from the protective layer around ovule, whereas embryo is the result of fertilization inside the ovary. The third difference we mentioned that seed coat actually determines the shape of the seed, whereas embryo is the one that fills the shape that is already determined by the seed coat. And in the last difference we mentioned about the that water diffuses through the seed coat into the embryo causes the swelling and rupturing of seed coat during germination, whereas in embryo we mentioned that it consists of radical, plumule and cotyledon, which gives rise to root and shoot system of the plant. So this is all for this question. Hope you have understood well. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.